Hey guys, we are back with Maza. So you can guess who our guest is today. It is Maza time with Dharmesh Mehta ji. Please welcome Dharmesh Mehta ji. He's come to our office, I think after a couple of months. He disappeared and I was told that he has given sannyas to Saptarishis astrology. But now he's back into the Grahast ashram mode. So, anyways, guys, Dharmesh sir, please welcome Maza time. Cheers.
Yes, sir.
So, how have you been, sir? It's been a long time.
Yeah, I was busy in some social activities and research because to produce such a knowledge to the student, I have to also sometimes disappear
Yeah.
to grab more knowledge. So I was just busy with the social and my personal.
I heard you had gone to Varanasi in between, right?
Yeah, Banaras.
Banaras. Okay.
Varanasi.
Okay.
So there's some spiritual memories from Varanasi.
Oh, great.
And when you see the people around there, no, then I only remember it is only marsh.
Huh?
There you will find every people like Martian.
Really?
Yeah, that
So-
is why I inspire the Mars now.
Okay. So is the topic for today on Mars?
Definitely Mars, because that Mars and in Earth also every people wish to go to Mars, no?
That's true.
Suppose 20 years after, if people colonies will start in Mars, you think that then astrology has to totally change. Then you are in Mars.
Yeah.
So you have to see the Earth is aspecting.
Oh, yeah.
Then Mars will not aspect you. Earth will aspecting you. So Mars. So in my short word introduction of Mars, Mars is a desire.
Desire.
Desire. Mars is a desire. See, many people say that Mars is a aggravation or it's a very
Anger.
hyper anger. No, Mars is not anger. Mars is not. It's a desire.
That's something new. That's something new.
Yeah,
I'm
I'll
hearing.
reveal how the Mars start with your birth till your end. See, people doesn't born. See, body doesn't take birth. Atma, it's immortal. So Atma doesn't take birth. So no body, because you either buried the body or either you just burn the body. So body doesn't take rebirth. Atma doesn't take a rebirth. It's a rebirth, is a Mars. See, the Kalpurus, when the Kalpurus was introduced, the first house is Mesh. The Lord of Mesh is Mars. And the end of a life, 8th house, Vrishchik, again, Lord is a Mars. So from people will get birth because of their desire, and people get end when their desire is fulfilled. So that is a desire. And if you consider Parashar basic name Bhavartha Bhavan, so from 8 to 8 is third house.
Okay.
The Karak of third house is again Mars. So the reason of your life till end is a Mars. See, in our Hindu system, the ancient saint says that at the time of leaving the earth, you should not have any desire. If your desire is less, then your rebirth chance will get less. Kam ichha rakhe. Let desire. So that desire, Mars is a desire. Now the Mars have 3 rules. Mars only give result if you fulfill his 3 things. First thing of a Mars is that there should be a desire. A person without desire, you will never find a person without desire. Somebody have a desire to luxury, somebody have desire of material, that is why Mars has given Karakatva all material pleasure.
Even wanting moksha is a desire.
That is a one type of desire. So the birth and death both are with the desire. So first condition of Mars is to having a desire. You should have the desire. The second condition of Mars is that desire should be burning. Otherwise that desire will not fulfill. Mars will not give. That is why Mars is called a Agni Tattva, fiery sign. Because your desire should be burning.
Burning desire to
Burning
achieve
desire.
something.
Till the desire will fulfill, you should not get a sleep. So that is burning desire. People have desire. People have a burning desire. But why all desire doesn't fulfill? That secret lies in third.
Third house.
No, third,
third rule.
Third rule.
Okay.
Third rule of desire is desire should be reachable. If it is not reachable, see in computer whatever you delete, no, it goes to recycle bin, and then you empty the recycle bin. Same way, if your desire is not fulfilled, if you feel that now this desire will not fulfill, so you should count that whether it is reachable or not. See, suppose I have a desire at the childhood that I will construct a school. I am very fond of school. So when my dasha, because dasha tells you whether your desire will fulfill or not, and I found that my desire will never be completed. At the age of 26, I realized that that dream will never come. So I left it. Now I never remember. If I still keep that desire, I have to take one more birth to make a school. Why? Astrology teaches us not to increase the birth. So by learning Mars, you will come to know that this house to be with the desire. Now we will consider the all lagnas. See, Mars is the third powerful planet of your horoscope. First is Jupiter, considering 11th house, as I told you already in Jupiter lecture. It is considering 11th house. Saturn, second most powerful planet in your Kundli, occupying 10 house simultaneously, and Mars 9 house. See, two place its ownership,
Yeah.
Aries and Scorpio.
Correct.
One place he will sit. 3 place it can aspect. And
6.
3 place it has
Karakatva.
Karakatva, significator. 9 things. So he is all together in the Kundli. Suppose 1 or 2 is common. Suppose where it is situated is a own sign or a. So at least 7 to 8 house will be affected by Mars. So Mars is a desire. So that house only can be opened with the desire.
So you mentioned Karakatwas. You know, now some people have different, astrologers are different. Which houses do you take as Karakatwas for
Mars.
Mars is dominated?
Yeah, see, Mars, whenever there is a need of desire, no, Mars will be always the Karakatva. See, there is no desire to take birth because you know you are not aware that you are going to take birth. So it is not a house of first. It's not a Karakatva of first. See, people have a desire of relation and finance, but that is not their burning desire. But people have a desire to do something new. So that is why third house is a significator. Because third house, there is a desire to veil the secret of the life. See, third house is a secret of life. As my Kendra lecture also I said that the third house is a house of subconscious mind. So why Mars is kept in third house? So not only your conscious mind desire, but Mars is involved in the subconscious mind, whatever the desire. See, we always plant our desire in subconscious mind, and then it will grow and command the conscious mind to do it. So third house it is desire. Fourth house, why Mars has taken this? Because every people love the place where he born, where he live. So people doesn't want to leave their birthplace, doesn't want to leave their home. So that is why there is a desire. So third house, fourth house, it's a material desire. Jamin means land, agriculture land, properties, all things are in the fourth house.
And that's a very strong desire.
Strong desire. Every people, see, the small to small people also want a place. And see, Mars, why it is a earth? Because earth has a more gravitational force. It's a desire. That is a Mars. And in the sixth house, there is 3 things covered under the Mars. That is your disease. Why disease is Karakatva of Mars? Because every disease when enter into the body, it first affect your blood. And blood is blood red cells, and red cells is a Mars again. So that is why the Mars is to overcome from the disease, you must have a desire to come out from the disease.
Oh,
So that is why the disease.
Can
To
I?
fight with the enemy, you
Okay.
must have desire. No, I have to win.
Yeah.
So desire. And to take anything extra, the debt. No, I have to complete my debt. It is your desire. Otherwise, you again have to take birth.
Correct.
So everywhere there's a desire, only Mars. See, people, half of the people marry, half people doesn't marry.
Yeah.
So it is not desire. Many people
but-
believe in the religion, many don't.
Yeah.
There is no desire.
Yeah.
So desire only comes where there is a place where it is a burning desire. So you first fulfill three conditions of Mars. Mars will give you ample result.
Okay, I have a question. Coming back to sixth house, Karakatva,
Yeah.
Mars, you said. Mars, you said disease. Some people take Saturn, sixth house disease. So what's the...
See, Saturn is always a protective mode, and Mars is always a attack mode. So when Mars attack, no, Saturn protect. See, Saturn is a cell. Saturn for your blood, it is a cell. Outside the this shell, what do you say, cell, outer
Yeah,
part.
the outer part of
It
the
is
shell.
Saturn. But when something heat inside, that is a Mars. See, your blood have a three component. So blood contains 4 karakatva. People only consider Mars as a blood karaka. No, it's not a karak of Mars. See, your blood contains RBC, that is red blood count. Mars is a red blood count. Your blood also contains WBC, white blood cell. It is a sun, because sun is a protective side. And you have a plasma. It is a moon, because it floats the cell. And the outer shell of the cell is Saturn.
Oh.
So whatever remains, no, so that is why your age defined by Saturn, how much new cells are producing and how much old cells are going, that balance ratio has a Saturn. So that is Saturn is a karakatva of your life. So Saturn, Mars is only a RBC, red blood cells, and red blood cells only improve by iron, and iron is a Mars. See, there is a link. So only the Mars. See, Mars is a reason for disease, and Saturn is a relief for the disease. Both are correct. See, in the 12th house you say the hospitalization. It's a Saturn, because whatever damage caused by Mars, it has to be repaired by the Saturn. So Saturn is in defense mode and Mars in the attacking mode.
Okay. Now, let me ask you a very basic question. Saturn and Mars, friends or enemies?
There is 2 node of the human life. So can't be a friend and can't be an enemy. See, there is very good book on Saturn and Mars in Gujarati, not in English. Naveen Bhai Javeri, you might heard about the
Legend
Naveen
of
Bhai.
legends.
Yeah, he is published in 81, Shani Mangal Yuti Pratiti. You just read it.
I
He
tried.
said that is a chasing. It's a chasing between Mars and Saturn. See, Mars doesn't stop. Mars doesn't stop. It's a horse. And Saturn doesn't stand up. So big. If you find any industrialist, any people who has succeed from the grassroots, all have a Saturn Mars Yuti or Pratiyuti. They say the Kendra Yoga. See what happens, that Mars in first house, Saturn in fourth house. Mars will aspect Saturn, Saturn will aspect Mars.
So that is a good combination.
Yeah, that is good combination. People will only come up with their own step.
Yeah.
Mars and Saturn in front of each other, Pratiyuti. That is also aspecting each other. There is only one condition: if Mars and Saturn is stand to each other, then there will be no industrial. You will find all
Means
industrial.
Mars should aspect Saturn and Saturn should also...
There should be reciprocal promise.
Okay, I'll tell you. This combination, I remember Dr. S.S. Chatterjee. He is a great researcher based in Noida, Delhi. He had mentioned, as you said, that is very, very important for this thing. But now I remember. He said that if there is a combination like this, Mars aspecting Saturn, Saturn aspecting Mars, then during the Dasha, Antardasha, there can be reversals.
Yes.
So, but why? I always thought if it is giving industrial, this thing, good yoga.
That's only chasing. No, that same thing I said, that if there is a combination in horoscope, that means that is a tendency of planet including in your nature. But when the time comes, no, see, theory part and practical part is always different. So theory part says when 2 are respecting each other, people have a courage to do new things, these things. But when the actual time comes only one, when Saturn Mars or Mars Saturn. So both are as reversal. Saturn will not allow Mars to give result, and in Mars Dasha, Mars will not allow to stop his activity in Saturn Dasha. That is why in Dasha you will find a reverse thing. But normally, if you are not undergoing any Mars and Saturn Dasha, whole life you will struggle and come up. The people who's industrialists, if you feel that they have studied in the lamppost in the road, and then now today they are grown. So all Mars and Saturn, because I've seen many.
I'll share something personal because you said the lamppost. I have that combination. Mars aspecting Saturn, Saturn aspecting Mars.
Okay, great. An example is in front of us.
And I struggled very hard in life. I used to sit on my building terrace
See.
and it used to be 4 o'clock or something. I used to sit dhoop mein,
Yeah.
the sun. And then evening time 6 o'clock happens. So I used to read Jyotish books. I used to read
Okay.
astrology books.
Okay.
So my father used to think that I've gone up to
Study the academic.
engineering. I was in engineering at that time.
Okay.
And then in the night time, there used to be no light on the terrace.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I used to only wait if the moon comes. Then I could read.
Yeah, Saturn Mars is a very
I
great.
struggled
combination.
very hard.
Yeah, it's a struggle period.
Yeah.
That is now one more aspect of the Mars, or you can say that there is a misconcept of the people about the Mars. They always fear about the Mars, I don't know, and many Pandit and they earn because of that fear. That is a Mangal Dos. See, there is nothing called like a Mangal Dos.
Okay.
Mangal Dos means that person who is having Mangal. I believe they are only the people who are courage to do something. Those, see, in our society what happens that those who have Mangal, they see that he has a Mangal. No, you should see with the respect that he has some different courage. Those who have Mars, no, they have something great qualities. Their blood is also some hot. So they always want something. They are always in pace, speed. Why Mangal need Mangal people? Because of this, because the cell is transforming after the marriage. That is why one cell should not obstruct the other cell. That is why Mars and Mars has to be met. It is not because of the somebody will die and somebody will, no, it is not that. See, I have seen those who have Mars never get affected in marriage life. Yeah, those who doesn't have Mars and get married with the person who is they will, because he will never cope up. He will never cope up with the speed of the person who is a Mars. So that is only that aspect I see, that the Mars should be there, both of them. See, you will find all researcher Mangal Dos, all scientists Mangal Dos, all doctors Mangal Dos. See, you see, basically they study up to 30-32. So their marriage get delayed, and people say because of the Mars. No, because of their analytical mind.
Okay, that's good.
Mars gives the analytical mind. He will not allow 1 + 1 2. He will see to it that 1 + 1 can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. See, all the scientific approach now. The people having a scientific approach now, they always doesn't go with the theory. So Mars doesn't go with the theory. Already I say he need a action. So Mars, suppose somebody's second house lord is Mars. So his relation, people think that second, see, in entire BPHS, Bharat Paras also, they said second house Mars is abhagi. It is not good deeds, good luck. Why? Because Mars when sit in the second house, burn the second house. His aspect in the 5th house, burn your last birth deeds. It aspect on your 8th house will also create problems in your end time. It also aspect your luck house. So it is simultaneously burn your previous and coming birth. So that is why it is called not good. Suppose your second lord is Mars, that means you will only get money if you desire, otherwise you will not get. You will get only with the relation. Relation only sustain if you desire something from others. Otherwise relation will also not sustain. So anywhere the Mars is a lord. Suppose you consider a Vrishabh Lagna, Taurus ascendant. In Taurus ascendant the 7th lord is Mars. So what happened that this person, the Taurus ascendant, live in the luxury. But when wife comes now, he'll start earning. Because now she desire.
Okay.
She desire. So that is why he leave his pleasure, comfort life and go to the desire life. So whenever the Mars, then wherever it plays, you open that house with the desire. If you don't feel desire on that house will never open. So need a desire. So Mars only I say desire. And when I visit the all Ghat, that Banaras, I see the people somebody's moksha मिलेगा, बाबा मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा, प्रसाद मिलेगा, all desire.
Desire for moksha, desire for
everything. See, people start birth, taking birth now with desire that people never come to know. See, if your Mars Dasha is there during your lifespan, if you face the Mars Dasha, you see how things get changed. Previous to that, it is the moon. Just see the distance between it. Previously, it is moon. So your mood and your mind has got clear. Then the desire will start. The Rishimuni has kept the sequence of Dasha is like this. So Mars, see, after Mars, if your desire will not fulfill, coming is a Rahu. Coming is Rahu. That is why, and your desire within the Mars. You will find always in the Panchang that Mars always pass more time in Cancer and Aquarius, Capricorn. Have you noticed? Karka and Makar, both the sign, Mars will spend his regular time is 45 days for every Rasi. But always in Karka and it will be 90 days, 95 days due to Vakri, Margi, all. So that is the pace. See, it's only the planet which have the same gravitation force, same environment, atmosphere like a Earth. And it is just a neighbor of your, after Earth there is a Mars. So Mars is, that is why people are not thinking of settling in Jupiter, even though you are considering is the best planet. It is also by Mars also it is big. Why you are not settling your colonies in?
maybe distance. Distance also is an issue.
Distance, no, this is a desire. People don't want to go distance, growth. Jupiter is growth already, I told you in my video. So why people are in the Mars? People are thinking that whenever they enter in the Mars, no, their desire will fulfill. See, today also if some miracle comes, no, people think it's due to aliens. From where alien comes? Mars. America also has done so many research on Mars that some aliens are there, and we have also seen so many pictures. People are only behind the Mars because that is a big desire, that is a burning desire. See, the people without desire, even you consider any saint. See, I don't want to blame any saint or things, but every saint also has some desire to end peacefully, to get a good number of shishya, disciple. So that is also a desire. So wherever the Mars has placed in your Kundali, no, I have seen the people of Scorpio ascendants. Scorpio ascendants is the main ascendant where you will only find the scientists or analytical brain or anything who are deal with the research. So Mars basically gives you some hypothesis. Hypothecation will be start from Mars, it will go into the depth and then it will give result. But only astrologer have to see Mars should be always in the right place. Right place, I mean to say, if Mars in the 4th house not consider good, your all desire will be limited to material only. You only seek about the pleasure only and you won't think more than this. See, that is why Mars is debilitated in Cancer. Cancer is Kalpurus 4th house.
But why should it get debilitated in the 4th house when it is the Karaka of that house, like property and all that? Why should it get?
Why? Because it says that the people need only limited place after death also. Do biga jamin.
Do biga jamin.
Don't
6
go
feet,
beyond
that's it.
for this property. And don't involve so much of your life in the desire. See, when some planets sit in the house, it will go deep into the house. So that what happen, only you are desiring about the pleasure on pleasure. See, 4th house has so many pleasures. Some are the material pleasure, that is all Mars. Some are mental pleasure, that are Moon. Some are the luxurious or the only pleasure, that is Venus. And some are the pleasure of soul, that is Sun. That is why there are 5 Karaks in the 4th house. But Mars basically the form which you can touch and feel. Mars is the only tangible things which you can feel and think. So your desire should be end up with something which you can touch and feel, not beyond that. So that is why, and Mars is already, it is said, many people said why is exalted in Capricorn. It is not Capricorn. Mars need more, means Mars is energy. That energy need more when you work. So that is why 10th house. It is not a 10th Rashi, it is a 10th house where you need more energy, more desire. So your work should be, your deed should be complete. So that is why even in the enemy side, if we consider the Makar as an enemy, Sunny, but still there it is said as exalted. So don't be desire of your pleasure, be desire of your deeds. That is why the Shastra, all the Rishi has given their debilation, and it is only because of the rule of the Mars. So never, I always say that the Mars, for Mars in the south people pray, south or west people pray Ganeshi, Mangal. And in north I found so many people that Mars they pray Mangal Murti means Hanuman. So both are Mangal, but I seen the Ganeshi because at the time of this his head was cut and so many blood has come out. So that is why we call this. And as Indra has promised that in every good works we will start with the Mangal Murti means Ganesha.
Yeah,
So,
but yeah, let me just add here. In South, they also take Kartikeya.
yeah, it's the elder brother of.
Patel Sahab used to always say to
Okay.
pray to Kartikeya
He says
for
that
astrology.
Yeah, I still have the photo of gifted by C.S. Patel. He has so tired photo. So one day I thought let me bring the new photo. So from Matunga, specially I brought that photo and give. बोलते I don't want बोलता है. It is gift from me. मैं बोला it is purchased by me. So how it is? No, you have given me. No, now it is my right to use or to give anyone. So I am gifting you. So my same thing he has gifted me again. So it's a remembrance of this. So I read so many articles of Mars, so many books of Mars, but every people have a bias about Mars that Mars is a malefic planet. Yeah, your desire can be a malefic because if your greed increase, see greed and desire, a very thin line. So greed is a negative version of a Mars. See, in Mars you will find somebody save the life. It's a doctor, and somebody takes the life. That's all criminals. So both have a Mars. Mars Rahu, when there is a Mars Rahu, not expected good planet, will be criminal. And Mars Rahu expected by good planet will be doctor. That's the only difference between.
You said Mars Rahu. I just opened Albert Einstein's horoscope. He's got Mars Rahu. His is Mithuna Lagna. Mars Rahu in the 8th house.
Yeah.
So you were talking about Mangal Dosh, okay? The
Yeah.
power to do something, and you had also mentioned scientist.
Yeah.
He is one of the greatest
And
scientists.
8th house, house of secret.
House of
He
Secret
has
and,
revealed so many secrets.
yeah. And 8th house is also death. So that Mars Rahu combination, eventually he was instrumental in creating the atom bomb because of the World War II,
Disaster.
Japan, the thing. So you got a point there.
And again, see, his death is still a mystery. His mind was taken out. So,
Really?
Oh,
I did not know that.
yeah,
I did not.
it is taken into 324 small particles. The doctor who has operated has made the 324 different articles. He has sent worldwide all the neurologists. See what is different in his mind. And after taking the due permission of his son, Albert Einstein's son, and they research everything, and it was published in the some foreign magazine that why his mind is something different. See, whenever Rahu also is affecting the 8th house, no, people incline towards the secret. That is also, it is okay, but his death is always in the questionable. So that is why Mars Rahu combination 8th house. That is why he has a scientist, research, everything. He has revealed so many secrets also. But that Rahu, somewhat mystical that about his thing.
I was, okay, thanks for teaching that. I was under that impression, which I had done. See, when a person dies, and there are many combinations for this. After the person's death, he will be remembered.
Yeah.
Okay, so there are many combinations.
Yeah.
One was the 8th lord or 8th house having Rahu's connection. Okay, you
Yes.
just mentioned Rahu,
Yeah.
because Rahu is immortal as per my
Yeah.
mentor, and also Jupiter's connection. If Jupiter connects, because Jupiter is Jiva,
Jiva.
so the person is living even after his death.
Yes,
You know?
yes. Jiva.
So there are many such combinations, but I found it working on a couple of charts. Sir, I have a question for Mars. What are the 5 good qualities of Mars, and what are the 5 worst qualities of Mars that we must master?
About the good quality of Mars, I can say that it will complete your work. That's
It
a
will?
very complete your work.
Oh.
The Mars people, no, the scientists or everything, they leave the food, they leave the to take bath. You'll see all the scientists have this long hair. It's not their style. They left to cut. And once the project complete, then only they will come out. So Mars first thing is to fix a deadline and to work. See, you'll find all army and navy peoples all are under the Mars because they are very disciplined. So they want to achieve the target. So first good thing of Mars is that desire and discipline is the main quality of Mars. Second quality, if he take the work, no, then he will fulfill. The keeping of promise, if you say, the Mars people will never cheat you. If it is possible, no, they will say no, no, I can't do it. See, whatever the straightforward people know, will find Mars in the own side. Then only they are straightforward. They straight away say, they don't think emotionally that what he will think afterward. No, they say no, no, I can't do this. So that is a straightforwardness, you can say, discipline, desire, and then one thing is a technical and analytical brain. Mars people have a technical. You always find those who have the Mangal dosh, no. See, Mangal dosh subsists till 28. As the people say that up to 28, Mars is because that is a Bhagyavars. That is a Bhagyavars of Mars. Till 28, all your hormones get settled. That was the age of this. That I have confirmed with so many medical doctors. They say that up to 28, all the hormonal balance gets settled. That is why exact at the half of 28, 14, the hormones start. In male and female puberty and that start in the male because of Mars. Your all the female cycle Mars. And there is a confirmation wherever your Mars is seated in female chart, wherever the Mars seated, when the moon transit, there is a time of MC. That is a chart that
Mensuration.
mensuration cycle start. Why? Because Mars, whatever the extra thing is made by Mars, that will all will go out from the body, all the toxics. So as I said, straightforwardness, this discipline, then you find hard working, analytical brain. That is also Mars.
So it's good for engineers. That's the reason they say Mars or Saturn in the 5th house can make you very analytical or take you into engineering field.
Scientists, instrumental line, all instrumental line because they work with their mind. See, take an example of a dentist. See, he apply his mind but with the instrument. So both the things simultaneously cannot work. When your mind says remove, your hand doesn't take action that time. Mars says, see, you, in army there is a march pass, left, right. You just, while walking, no, you just say left, right. You'll see your leg will be right and you are speaking left. So that discipline will be created by Mars. So that is why what happened that why they are trained with left, right, left, right, left, right. So whenever say shoot, they will shoot, they will not see who is the person in front of them. So that is a Mars, that is a discipline, that is a courage, that is a extra things. Now talking about the negative things. Negative thing of Mars is a burning desire. If your Mars is not placed well, means it's placed with a Saturn, it placed in the 8th house, it placed in the 12th house, that means you cannot able to complete your wish or desire. That is why people are burning, they obstruct others. So Mars one way, it is the other way, it is an obstruction. All the extortion people also comes under Mars. So if their Mars is badly affected, as I said, you Mars Rahu combination either make you doctor or either make you a criminal. So all the extortion people, because they cannot complete their wish by their own, so they said itna bejo, wo bejo. So all extortion people, they all are under the Mars. So that is a very negative part of Mars. After all the planet will realize, okay, it's our not capacity, let it wind up. Mars will not wind up till the end. See, the soldier, when he go hit by the 2-3 bullets, now still he will stand and march. That is actually negative thing. If you get down or recover your thing, you can save. But no, he will go in front of the enemies and say, hit me now. So that is a bad thing of Mars. Even though he know that there is no capacity, that is why I said that all desire will not fulfill, even though it is burning. If it is beyond reachable, Mars doesn't know where is the level, where to reach. See, I have seen many people having Mars so powerful, They go to car showroom and say, okay, show me the car. Say that this is all our car. Okay, tell me the best car. Are you all best car? See, they only know to get the things. See, many people while entering hotels, no, well, they, what is good in this menu? The hotelier will say everything is good.
Yeah, that's what.
So that is the mass people. They are so much in hurry. They don't know their limits. Where
Actually,
they
I have a bad habit, you know, and I'll admit it. And my bad habit is, wherever I go, I mean, especially out of town, I see the menu, you know,
Yeah.
and I say, tell me what's the best in your place. And every time the waiter will say, everything is good. I said, no, what is the best in your place? So my Mars is a problematic Mars. I
So
admit that.
That is a negative thing about mass. They have knowledge about that they need something, but they don't know how to get it and where to stop. It's the same thing. They know I want a car, but they don't decide which model, which thing. That is very good about the Venus. That is why Mars and Venus very good combination. See, in my marriage lecture also I said Aries, Taurus, Libra and Scorpio. These four ascendant hardly find any matrimonial problem because one is desire and one is a pleasure. One needs something and one is wish to give something. So Mars, Venus, that is why Mars, Venus is called Sada Jawan. They are always active and always ready for this. Even though they are 60, 70 years now, they look like a young. Because of Mars. Mars is a burning things and Venus is a you can say ghee that will add up to the light to the lamp. So Mars and Venus is a good combination. Mars with Sun, very bad combination. It is called Angarak Yoga because whenever two fire join, it will burn out. It's a blast. So Mars and yes, you will find many politicians having this Sun and Mars.
Together.
So they want that this person should come down and I should reach up.
Okay.
You find in many politicians. Chandra Mangal, as it says Lakshmi Yoga. That Lakshmi Yoga is only for the desire of mind. It's not a real material Lakshmi Yoga as the people believe. Many people believe that Chandra Mangal Lakshmi Yoga will get an ample of money. No, it is not like this. Then you have Mars, Mercury. Very worst combination because one is your intellectual application of mind and one is your action. It doesn't match. Hardly people have thoughts and action together. So there is always misbalance. Mars, Jupiter I can moderate because their Mars will silent because of the Jupiter. It doesn't get silent with the Sun. Sun में दोनों का अहम टकराता है.
Okay.
Both
The ego
clash.
clashes. Okay.
But in Jupiter what happened that Jupiter calm down the fiery brand of the Mars. Venus already said and Saturn Mars already said. It's called Sanghars Yoga. Shani Mangal Sanghars Yoga.
Okay, Sanghars means success after obstacles.
Success. So they always chasing Mars and Venus is like you can say Tom and Jerry. Always chasing each other.
You know, when I think of my life, I feel I'm always chasing.
Yeah.
Tom and Jerry is my life.
And that is why Mars and Saturn Yuti is called chasing with your own self.
Yeah.
You are breaking your own record, no? You are not seeing others. You are saying I was not better in last year, I have to improve myself. So that is chasing, it is a fight between you and yourself. You is a
I agree to this point. It works.
Saturn Mars.
Yeah.
Mars Rahu already I said that the acceleration. See, Rahu is nothing but the booster. To whom he attached, no, it will boost the energy. So that is why Mars Rahu is they called Akasmic Yoga, Akasmat Yoga. Why? Because Mars goes always in the speed. It has its own speed, even though 80, 90. But what Mars Rahu will say, why it is Akasmat accident? Anything happened beyond your imagination. It is an accident. So what happened? Rahu will boost. Hey, nobody is come. Rush your car, and once you rush, you will out of control. That is why Mars Rahu is out of control, let's say. Mars Ketu I hardly found a combination because it's a rare combination. Sometime when it appears in years, you always find that 2 months with the Mars Ketu. That's I still not because Ketu is after the birth which effect and Mars is the before the birth what you have. So that is I think you can say that there is some connection between this life and past life you can connect.
I was about to say that maybe people can observe this and give us feedback. that anybody who has Mars Ketu,
Yeah.
whether he has some kind of fear, that fear could be about accidents or something like that, some kind of fear, whether it is, people
Yeah.
should collect and give us that
At least they will fit up.
feedback. Sir, now Mars. Can we go through Mars in different signs or different houses?
See, for Aries and Taurus, that's okay. See, whatever the combination I said about with the planet,
It
this
will work
one is
here.
the right.
Okay, let's do the houses part.
Houses part, as I said you, the Mars is only Karak of 3, 4 and 6. Why? Because that desire is required. Suppose Mars is placed in first house, that is called the person have a hyperness. Why hyperness? Because body and his own mind doesn't match. See, Mars is a Mars.
Means hypertension. Let me
Hypertension.
check my mother-in-law's pulse for 1 second. I really want to. I'm worried for her actually.
Yeah, hypertension.
So this is first house
Mars.
Mars. Okay. I better not comment. I'm sorry. No, I love my mother-in-law.
Understood.
Whenever she blesses me, I come out of all my problems.
Oh, good.
Anyway.
Mars. So Mars in first house, that means you have some extra energy in your body, and that will be always make you active. So Mars, whenever in the first house, they are very disciplined person, and they will make other also disciplined. So Mars in first house, I always find a good thing that they are also in the pace, they are also in speed, and they think also that people can also pace with them.
Now, I have a tough question here.
Yeah.
You said Mars in first house will make them disciplined and will make others also. What is that combination which will reverse this effect of Mars in first house? Suppose Mars is with which planet? Which will reverse?
Saturn, only Saturn. If your Saturn is the vicinity of Mars, means it is aspecting two ways, then Mars will get settled. Mars only gets settled with Saturn. That is why to reduce the effect of Mars, there is always Saturn is the firewall.
Can it also, instead of Saturn, suppose it is Rahu or Ketu?
No, they are accelerator. They are not controller. They will also instigate them. Oh, do that. See, whenever somebody make any crime, no, some people always instigate. No, or जोर से, hit him. So that is a bad combination. Only Saturn can create the firewall, because Saturn can control the speed of any planet, because it has a patience, no. So it will pull the everything from the outer side. So only Saturn. Second house Mars, I already said that it is very bad for the fifth house, ninth house and eighth house. It is not good combination. And many female having the second house Mars will lose his first child because of the aspect Mars in the fifth house. What happens? Why
I
the
think so.
miscarriage?
Indira Gandhi had it. I think so. Indira Gandhi. She might not
There
have
is a
had a
spark.
miscarriage, but she eventually, yes, she's got Mars in second house. She eventually lost both her children.
Ah.
If we loosely translate the shloka that you said.
Yeah, it says that because what happened, you desire so much from your child. See, suppose the child is in the womb of a mother, and mother has a second house Mars. Even in transit also, it is not good. That during the pregnancy, woman will think that his son will be, or the daughter will be like a super power and this, and that superpower imagination will kill the bird, and that will not allow to grow the mental status of the child, because you are feeding every day new, how child will grow then? One day you think my child should be doctor, second day you said my child should be engineer, my child should be a businessman, then what the
Creating confusion. So please have
Yeah,
mother,
yeah.
sir. I should not be called a non-courteous man.
no, you are, by adding this you are adding my tongue also very sweet.
Okay.
So Mars should not be so sweet.
Okay.
But orange is a color of Mars, so you can consider.
Yeah.
So
Mars in second house
Second-
can give problem to the fifth house in terms of children.
yeah, in
What problem will it give to the eighth house?
eighth house, what happened at that time of end? Something will happen accelerate. See, suppose what happens? Suppose a person can be survived. See, after accident, what happens? The delay will cause the death. So whoever have a second house Mars, see, See her. See, same chart. It is said that if it is brought before, then her life can be saved.
Sorry.
Indira Gandhi
If it is,
brought before, earlier,
Huh.
her body, because she hit the 14 bullet in the body, no?
Yeah.
So it is said that the same thing. Some accident, sudden things will happen, and if you delay certain things, it will be always delay, and that is because of that the person dies. Or you can say that after last stage he will be Medicare and wrongly Medicare, and that is the cause of the death. Any person having second house. That is why I said it is spoil your 5th house, 8th house and 9th house. So that is why it is very bad. 3 and 4 already I explained. 5th house Mars will never allow your good deeds to come out, because you are the boss of your deeds. You will not allow whatever happens in the 5th house. That is why Kam Bhagi or Abhagi bolte. Whenever the Mars is situated in 5th house, no, they become player, they will become a scientist, engineer, but doing with their own efforts without following his past birth deeds. So it doesn't apply in the 5th house. 6th house already has it. In 7th house also it will burn. Your opposite person will be always try to heavy and make you pressure. Will so much demanding nature, so you will not able to fulfill. That is why it is under the purview of Mangal dos. 1st house, 2nd house, 4th house, 7th house. 8th house Mars at the time of end, it is still your life will be very good. Mars will give you good result. But 8th house, whenever there is your death can be caused with some metals or metals. Either during the operation, either during the something will hit you, and due to the metal or due to some things, your death will be caused. 9th house Mars same as the 5th house. I don't advise 9th house Mars as a good, because people in religious create a new things, and it is always in the bad side. See, many religious has developed because of the aggression. Many religious have developed because of the rebellious. So all the people who have started their religion with the rebellious nature have Mars in the 9th house. And the new system introduced in the society, living standard or anything, that is all Mars.
in the 9th house.
Only Mars I expect 1st house, 10th house. 10th house also it is good Mars, because you are very much dedicated to your work. Your all energy and force you are investing only in your work.
But I find my observation. Of course, it will be because of some aspects or the other. But a broad thing, Mars in the 10th house.
Yeah.
I have found those people to be 1st house and 10th house. These people can become I, me, myself characters. This is 1st house and 10th house.
Yes.
They are only concerned about them. Their children are just, they basically first priority is them. That this is one problem I find with 1st house and 10th
Even though
house.
it is in 10th house, Mars is also affecting 1st house.
Big aspect, yeah.
By aspect it is also. But 10th house Mars means they need their position. These are about position.
Yeah.
So they only think about themselves.
Yeah.
They will sacrifice their child also to become to come into the picture or come into our
Limelight.
name and fame. They can spoil their child also. And it's aspecting 8 aspect to 5th house. No? As the same you say that they will spoil their child, and beyond them they don't think anyone. So they 10th house Mars, 1st house aspect, 4th house aspect and 5th house aspect. Everything will spoil. 11th house Mars, yeah, that's something also good, because your desire will fulfill. See, 3rd house is a house of beginning of the desire, and 11th house is a desire fulfill, Ichha Purti. So when Mars entered in this, immediately their desire will fulfill. See, if I desire that I want to drink this and you brought this, so that means immediately my desire pop up and immediately it is fulfilled. So 11th house Mars is always good. It is always fulfill your wish immediately. And they will have a expected gain always. They only calculate the expected gain. They never go into the unexpected gain. They never think, if you say no, your 100 rupees I will make it 1000 rupees, well then no. Give me 200 rupees now. They don't have a long calculation. See, that thing is also have to remember. Mars doesn't have a long vision.
Okay.
Let me say, Mars doesn't have long vision. Even though we put as a 7th, 8th aspect, but Mars itself doesn't have a long vision. He only knows today. He doesn't know what will happen in the tomorrow. See, all the army scientists, they only live on the day. They doesn't think about the future about. So Mars is that you can consider as a negative quality of Mars, that they will only desire for the present. They can't think about their future. And Mars in 12th house, again there is a purview of the Mangal dosh. Why Mars is not good in the 12th house? Because whenever Mars in 12th house, we are misusing or extra using your energies in the destruction. So you are not able to create something, but your energy will be waste. After all the project is executed, at the end you will find you have to drop this project. So Mars, whenever in the 12th house, your energy will not be saved, your energy will misuse, because 12th house is a house of loss, as we say, and this is a desire, energy, burning energy, that all energy you one or the other day you have to leave or you have to forget it. So Mars in 12th house also, that is why it is created Mangal dosh in 12th house, because he is misusing his energy. And you can say they are very much in, because 12th house is a bad pleasure also. So in Mars, when there is there, you find many, see, it's not always, but you will find many prostitutes and everything in the 12th house Mars, misusing of their energies. So that's all 12th house. Mars is very good in the triangle of Nomas. Nomas, if it is placed in the 4th, 5th and 9th house, it is considered good. The principle I read in the, which book present I don't remember, but they says Mars and Jupiter always give good result in triangle in Nomas.
Okay.
But when the matter of Mars start, I come to remember, but I forget in Jatak Parijatak or somewhere it is written that Mars gives very good result in triangle. See what happens, that triangle in Nomas always gives you the secret of your life. Triangle of Nomas always. And maybe I can link that because of the Jupiter as a Jiva, as you said, and Mars being a desire of the life. So Mars being placed in the triangle in the Nomasha, if Nomasha Mars is placed in 1st house, 5th house or 9th house, you will able to know the reason of your birth. Because I said Mars is the reason of our birth. So in the triangle of the Nomasha, you will find that if it is placed 1, 5, 9, you will come to know one or other day what is the reason of your birth. So that's where it gives a very good result.
I have one more question, sir. Now,
Yeah.
we have 3 aspects for Mars.
Yeah.
What is the difference in the effect from 4th aspect, 7th aspect? What is the difference?
See, Mars is whenever aspecting 7, for any planet it is there, because in Laghu Parasi it is said all planets is aspecting 7th house and dash 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 aspecting this. So that is, one is a direct drishti, Purna drishti, it is called Purna, full, complete, full. And one is called Vishesh, that is a special aspect. See, whenever there is a full aspect, that means you are in front of mirror. You want opposite also like you. So 7th aspect gives you the direct effect that this person or this planet want this house also to be run under their influence. 4th aspect, see, only Mars has a 4th aspect. Why 4th? Because seeking of pleasure. 4th is always a pleasure. See, you see that aspect also in number wise. As I said, 7 is opposite. So you need opposite person to be same like you. 4th aspect, why Mars has given 4th aspect? Okay, you can't create at that house, put desire in your pleasure. So aspect the 4th house. So 4th aspect is always for desire and 8th aspect is always for destruction, for ending the things. See, that same 3 condition I have given you, there should be desire, means the 7th aspect. There should be a burning desire, 4th house, and if it is not reachable, drop into 8th house. That is why, scrap that desire, otherwise that will not allow you to live. See, at the time of end, no, it is about to live, no, it is said that prior to 48 hours of your ending, you will come to know that you are about to live now. That is a 48 hours is the time said in the Shastra, time of regression.
Okay.
They give the time of regression of 48 days, 48 hours, whereby you are seeing the ceiling and all the pictures will comes from childhood, whom you met, what you have desired, what education you want and you could not able to make, to whom you want to marry, you are not able to marry, whatever, entire life picture will be seen. And what happens, some picture people will stick, that is a desire, that is a time where you implant your next birth, that is a mask. See, how doctor will certify this person is not living? By heartbeat, Mars, by death of a mind again Mars,
Correct.
by heartbeat not running, people died, kidney failure, people died, brain stroke, people died, everything is covered under the Mars. So that is why the end time, the time of regression comes, no, that is why in the end people say Bhagwan ka naam lo, take the name of God, they will sprinkle the holy waters, they will pour the Ganga Jal, everything. Why? Because your desire should not stick in something, otherwise you will go in that thing. See, at the time of death, no, people eyes remain open many times. They will just die. Why? Because that picture was so bad, so they could not able to close that picture. Whenever you see the picture, you find like this, your eyes balls comes out. So that is the time he came to know that this bird, whenever the eyes largely opens, no, and people die, that means he has gone to some downward birth. That's the indication in the birth. And people just die in the sleeping, that means they reach to the place where they desire. So that desire, that is why from starting I said that the mass is desire, desire and desire.
That's it. I think you have taught us today something brilliant about Mars, which we did not know, and at least I did not know. I am not so knowledgeable. I mean, desire, you know. And now I'm totally convinced that the root cause of our birth and rebirth is Mars. That desire. If we take Mars as the desire, yes. Why do I want to achieve something? Because I have a desire to do that. You know, and that energy to achieve it, Mars gives. You know, without Mars there is no energy. You know, Dharmesh ji, it's always a great pleasure to have you, and I hope our next session should be on Mercury.
Yeah, Mercury.
Mercury will-
After Mars, it's a Mercury.
Mercury.
Yeah. Definitely.
Thank you so much, Dharmesh ji.
Thank you.
Pleasure having you. Thank you.
No.
काटा फट करके काटने का, मैं थैंक यू बोला तो काटने का, काटा नहीं।